Welcome to PACCo, promoting adaptation to changing coasts. PACCo is a €27 million project, with €18 million coming from the European Regional Development Fund. We are made up of 6 partner organisations working together towards the same goal. Climate change is having a dramatic effect on the world. We're working to adapt the Sand Valley in Normandy and the Lower Otter Valley in Devon to ensure that they can meet the coming challenges of rising sea levels. These 2 pilot sites have many things in common. They have both been heavily modified by humans for agriculture, housing, trade and leisure. They both have important roads and infrastructure. They both have waste facilities that need improving. And they are both at risk of rising sea levels and flood events. So we are studying them both to help others enhance biodiversity, improve and understand options for carbon capture, engage with their communities, and deliver an economically viable, environmentally sustainable adaptation project of their own. There are over 70 sites along coasts of northern France and southern England that could benefit from adaptation. Over the past 200 or so years, humans have made changes to coastlines, building communities, expanding agricultural and leisure land. This worked at the time, but climate change is threatening many of these sites. We believe that preemptively adapting these sites to work with climate change will deliver better results than waiting for unmanaged, uncontrolled, potentially catastrophic change due to an extreme weather event. Making these decisions is difficult and sometimes uncomfortable. It often means choosing to change landscapes and facilities that we value. But if we don't act now, we will lose them due to rising sea levels, larger peak river flows, and extreme weather events such as storms and warmer, wetter winters with greater rainfall. Acting now allows us to make changes that benefit the community and surrounding areas. While the costs can appear prohibitive, the choice to not act can be more expensive in terms of ongoing maintenance and repairs. Our sites in the San and Otter Valleys have been able to move and rebuild significant structures, as well as reconnect the rivers to their natural floodplains. Over the next 5 years, we expect to see different changes at the 2 sites. In the Lower Otter Valley, actions will include breaching existing flood embankments to better reconnect the river to its floodplain, restoring lost intertidal habitats, relocating a cricket club away from the floodplain, safeguarding a highway and public footpaths, and protecting a former landfill site. In the Sand Valley, actions will include moving a campsite to a flood-free location, improving sewage treatment facilities, safeguarding a road between 2 communities, restoring the connectivity of the River Sand to the sea through a bridge, allowing the restoration of intertidal habitats, and restoring wetlands and natural water flows. We hope this video has given you an insight into the work we are doing and the potential for change if this also applies to you. For more information and all the latest updates, please visit the PACCo website.